Hi, this is Zach Meir from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Wednesday the 1st of June. Starting off with BMR Group where we have this extended consolidation around the 200-day moving average at 4.21 pence, also the floor of this rising formation from November last year. It looks as though we're ready to finally break to the upside. RSI just cleared the 50 level, the neutral level. End of day close above the 50-day moving average at 4.98 should be enough to take this market as high as 8 pence over the following 1 to 2 months. Stop loss back below 4 pence. Codal Minerals is next, if I can say it properly, and here we've got the situation where there's been this consolidation within this broadening triangle in place basically since September last year. We're still looking for a break of the 200-day moving average at 0.058 pence. Above that should retest the obvious resistance from April at 0.1 pence and possibly a bit higher. Stop loss, if you can manage it, back below the 0.04 pence level, but obviously quite a fiddly minnow as far as the price action and the actual share price is concerned. Just to recap on MX Oil, where we got this ongoing breakout attempt from this resistance line from January. Still looking for a clearance of the 1 pence level on an end of day close basis. We've had these 3 attempts over the course of May, 4 in fact, and end of day close really, or weekly close above 1 pence required in order to get us the notional 1.3 pence plus target. In fact, after such a wait, we do actually get up to 1 pence on a decent basis. One would have thought the 200-day moving average of 1.66 is actually the target. Good that there is support coming in towards the 50-day moving average at 0.8 pence, and that does look relatively robust, especially when combined with this latest double RSI bounce off the neutral 50 level, which is normally a leading indicator on upside. So fingers crossed on that one, if that's not too colloquial an expression. Premier African Minerals is next. That's of interest at the moment because we've just broken the 200-day moving average at 0.79 pence after a couple of days on the 50-day average at 0.76 pence. We've also broken the RSI 50 quite nicely to leave it at 56, and while we're above the 50-day line, looking for a retest of April's 1.2 resistance zone. Overall target here for the next 2 months as high as 1.6 pence at the top of this rising October price channel. Satellite Solutions, not a stock which is talked about very much, but I've had it in focus because I like the idea here of broadcast broadband for quite some time. We actually had we had what would have been a golden cross buy signal here in February, if there was enough data, let's say. Situation now, we've bounced off the floor of this February uptrend line quite sharply and cleared the 50-day moving average at 7.57 pence. While above this 7 pence zone, I'll be looking for a target as high as 11 pence, which is a February resistance line projection. That could be seen as soon as the end of July. Moving on to Sula, where there's been quite an amazing consolidation here over recent weeks and months. Looks as though we might be finally ready to break outside this wedge or this triangle formation. End of day close above the 50-day moving average is probably what we need to inspire confidence. That's at 0.19 pence, and above that should lead to the main 0.3 pence resistance zone just below the 200-day moving average as soon as the end of July. Stop loss obviously just back below 0.15 pence, but it would be surprising if we now went back down there again, especially after the bullish divergence in the RSI window. Finishing off with an old favorite, Serus Minerals. Here we've got this very strong looking consolidation for the shares. Golden cross buy signal last month between the 50 and 200-day moving averages, uptrend line in the RSI window as well from as long ago as February, and this sort of extended U-shaped consolidation looking quite powerful really. End of day close above 20 pence on this occasion over the next few days should be enough to at least get us to 25 pence which is the top of a rising trend channel from July. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.